We're going to see that aircraft in the air in just a few moments. We've also got flybys coming your way from the KC-135, the E-3C Century, the AWACS aircraft. Again, you're going to see Jerry Conley and the Havilland Vampire, the C-17 of the Royal Air Force. Again, more of the history that still takes to the skies. It's really amazing. The men and women, the organizations that do so much to keep some of this historic aircraft in the air. It's really fascinating. Groups like the Commemorative Air Force, which I had the pleasure of being a part of for a number of years. It was a real pleasure to work on some of these historic aircraft, to keep them airborne so that future generations like myself and many others could appreciate the sacrifice and the history that got us to where we are today. Because I tell you folks, these incredible aircraft, because museums are good. I like museums, they're important. I'm glad we have museums, but there's nothing like watching these aircraft do what they were designed to do, and that's fly. And that's why it's so exciting to see these aircraft in the skies over Dyess this weekend. On the takeoff roll, ladies and gentlemen, Jerry Conley and the Havilland Vampire. Jerry's flying career started at 8 years old when he got a kid's book titled Jerry the Jet, and the rest is history. He's from Bismarck, Ohio, and has been flying since age 16. Jerry earned his BS in mechanical and aerospace. The aircraft quickly proved to be effective and was adopted as history in the skies over Dyess. Nice 4-point roll by Jerry Conley. The aircraft is powered by the Havilland Vampire. On your right, ladies and gentlemen, the high-speed pass. Here he comes, a nice photo pass, this time from your right to left.